Hi students, welcome to our first lesson on Wisdom, Kingdom of Anger. Today we're going to watch the introduction video to the game, and in that video we'll meet Wisdom, the main character of the game. We'll learn about the Kingdom of Anger, which is full of angry inhabitants, and we'll meet the king, the one who's in charge of the kingdom. So let's watch the video.
Help! I need help! I don't know what to do to stop anger from spreading all over my kingdom.
Let's try this great antidote!
No! Look, if there's no anger, then people just step on each other and don't respect each other. Anger is good, and that it helps us defend our territory. It's just the way people manage it that is catastrophic. The only solution I see to truly help my kingdom is to use superpowers.
But I don't have superpowers!
You're going to be faced with a series of many challenges. By completing each one of them, you will be granted a superpower.
Okay, will you help me?
Great. Now I'm going to ask you a few questions about the video that we just watched. After I ask a question, you can pause the video and think quietly to yourself, or if an adult's with you, you can pause and talk to them about the question. So first, why does the king ask Wisdom for help? So if you remember, the king has a problem, right? All the inhabitants, those that live in the kingdom, are very angry, and they aren't managing their anger very well. So he needs Wisdom's help. Wisdom then pulls out an antidote, this blue flask, and Wisdom says that they can fix all the anger and make it go away. Antidote's kind of like a medicine. And when the king hears that, he says no, he doesn't want all the anger to go away. Why does the king say that anger is good? The king said that anger helps their kingdom defend their territory. And at first I was a little confused about that, but then I thought, what if I had my new favorite toy and my younger brother took my toy and I didn't get angry at all? I was fine with it. Then whenever I got a new toy, my brother would always think that it was all right to take it because he doesn't know that it makes me angry. So sometimes getting angry is a good thing. It lets us know and other people know what we like and what we dislike. Sometimes when we feel angry, we might break or destroy something. Has this ever happened to you? And do you think we can use that energy in more positive ways? This has probably happened to you. It's happened to me too. It's normal to sometimes feel so angry that we want to break something. Being violent or breaking things is a little different from feeling angry. And when we feel angry, we don't have to be violent or break things. If we practice certain strategies, we can use that energy in more positive ways. What is the difference between our emotion and our behavior? So what's the difference between feeling an emotion like anger and doing something like breaking something? Emotion and behavior. So our emotions we don't always have control over. Sometimes something happens, an event or a situation, and our emotions respond in a certain way. We don't have a lot of control over that, but we do have control over our behavior and what we do while we're feeling a certain emotion. So next time we will win superpowers to help the kingdom. We'll follow Wisdom and complete certain activities and games. Until then, you have 2 tasks and you'll need an adult for both. First, you have a discussion question with an adult. Is it easier to learn something new or make decisions when you feel angry or when you feel calm? So discuss those with an adult, and when you're done, you can go to our classroom Flipgrid and upload a video that responds to this prompt. Sometimes you feel angry, happy, sad, or scared. Choose one of those feelings and tell us a time you felt that way and why. Remember when you upload a video to Flipgrid that the whole classroom can watch your video. So make sure you post about a story that you feel comfortable sharing. And once you've posted yours, I encourage you to click on a few classmates and listen to a time that they felt that emotion. But great job today, and I will see you next time for our second lesson of Wisdom Kingdom of Anger.